Oh! G'day, you absolute legend. Stu from UAV Futures here. Start again, why? Okay, you go action. G'day! Stu from UAV Futures here with my little FPV assistant, and this right here, it is going to be a fun video. So if you're in for the techs and the specs and the technical 12-hour long thesis, this ain't the video for you. Me and my daughter right here, we're going to be having a look at this. This was sent to us from Go Bird or whatever. I'm going to link it down below. It's not an affiliate. They didn't pay me for this review or anything like that. You know what I thought? I thought, you know what? This could be a fun way to get our kids into FPV, into RC, and fly around. What do you think about this?
I think it's great.
Have you seen it fly yet?
No.
Do you think we're going to lose it?
No.
You think we're going to get it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to see. Anyway, what this is, I guess, before we go and take it out, some of the quick text and the specs. It took about 2 seconds to plug this thing together. It's got a little remote, which is one-handed use. No innuendos in this review, but you simply turn it on.
Dad, you're not letting me help.
Oh, okay, what do you want to say? You do a bit of talking about the drone review.
Well,
Are you going to tell them it runs on a 2S battery?
It runs on every 2S battery.
Yep.
You can have one.
Yep.
It has a remote control flying.
It does do remote control flying. There's a button in here to turn it on.
There's
So if I put,
buttons.
I haven't put a battery in. The battery bay goes in the bottom. Oh, we're going to have to put it in its bottom. Oh!
Dad, it's just a toy.
Oh, okay.
So, anyway, that's doing. And I know it can fly about so fast.
So fast. All right, let's plug it in. Let's put this battery in. So they're simply. I don't like that they come with these proprietary batteries, but anyway, we'll put that in there. We ready to
And
zip up its butt?
And how it do it snap.
Now we turn it on. Get rid of this. We don't need that in the video. Turn it on. Oh, making a familiar ESC noise. Is this on? Yeah. What did it say?
What did it say?
Remote control connected successfully. I think this is how it goes, right? Go up, go down.
Okay.
Speed up, speed down, turn left, turn right. Takeoff mode. Okay, stop! Land. Woo! Okay, that's enough, Bird. Come in for a landing. We've landed. Stop. Maybe I should read the There we go. So we're going to go out, we're going to fly it around, bring you guys along with it as well. It's the Go Bird. Look, this video, it's just all about having fun.
It's so silly.
Well, we haven't seen it. Oh, I think your sister's coming to watch as well. So let's go do it. We're going to fly it around in the front yard. And I wonder if we'll get it back. We'll see. We'll try our best. Anyway, let's do it. Cut out the front in 3, 2, 1. No, don't you touch those buttons just yet. We got to launch it.
Okay, how do we launch it?
Well, we got to throw it.
No.
Right here, so it's a little bit windy. I've run through the controls. Take off, land, do a circle, speed up, speed down, left, right. It's pretty easy. It's a little bit windy. I don't know if we're going to get it back, but look, let's have some fun. So, turn it on. It's got the worst accent, but yeah, it's connected. So we need takeoff mode, which I think is this one. Woo! This bird is flying! Here it goes! Oh! Oh gosh, it just nosedived into the ground. Wow. See if we can get it to happen again. Maybe it turned itself off, or the battery popped out. Yes. Try this again. Alright, take off. Do it over the grass. All right, we've lost it in the neighbour's yard. The kids are having a bit of a whinge. It's okay. I tried to put it in circle mode, or maybe, I don't know, it just wanted to stop. They're having a cry over there, so I better go get it. But yeah, I don't know if I'd spend $200 on it. Maybe like $30 and probably had a bigger area to fly it and there was less wind. But yes, we're gonna get it. But yeah, all in all, it's a bit fun. Anyway. Oh God. Well, maybe we have to hoik it into the air. Go get it. Alright, let's go inside. Woo! Action!
And snap.
Radio. So, there you go. There's our review of the Go-Go Bird. What did you think?
It's great.
It's great. Did it work well?
No.
What did you want it to do?
Fly up.
Did it fly up?
No.
Did we get it back?
Yeah.
Should people buy one?
Maybe.
Why? Why would you buy one of these?
Because it's so funny.
Was it funny? What would make it better though?
Fly up high.
Yeah, if it actually flew. So there you go. There's our fun little turn with the Go-Go Bird. Look, bit of a different video. It's just all about having fun, having some family time as well, flying around with the kids. And oh, it's a nice fan. Ah, that's good. And look, yeah, just I don't know why mine just kept nosediving into the ground. Oh, what are you making it do there? Huh? Left, that's left and right. But ours just kept nosediving, which is a bit unfortunate. Anyway, on that, what do we say at the end of the video? Subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always,
we still have great videos.
oh, we still have great videos. Alright.
Without it flying.
Oh, and the battery keeps disconnecting every time you crash, which is annoying. And then you got to turn it on again. It's so silly.
You can really make this thing. Yes, and this is better.
Yeah, straight into the ground again. Anyway, happy flying.
Maybe it's a bit nose heavy.
Maybe. Something. Yeah. You think they would have fixed that though in the
Yeah.
testing?
That's the only thing I can kind of think of that it goes straight.
Yeah, I was thinking that if it had had these like pointed up, so it was making it go down, but I don't know.